Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a ribbon in Affinity, and we are going to build it from scratch using the pen tool. It's a fun one, so make sure to watch until the end. Let's get into it. First I'll grab the pen tool and draw a curved line on the canvas. Once it's done, press Escape to finish the line. If the curve is not sitting quite right, I'll switch to the node tool and adjust the nodes until the line looks smooth and properly positioned. Now I'll grab the Move tool, select the line, and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J. Then I'll hold down Shift and drag it down. And also drag it slightly to the right. Both lines are going to form the body of the ribbon. Let's align them to the center. Next I'll connect the ends of both lines, joining the left ends together and the right ends together. I'll also join the curved peaks to close off the shape nicely. So I'll grab the pen tool again, go to the context toolbar and select line mode. Then I'll make sure snapping is enabled. I'll start drawing lines to close off the open ends and also connect the curved peaks. Now I'll grab the Shape Builder tool, press Ctrl A to select all, and drag across the sections to create the shapes and join them together. This is where the ribbon really starts to take form. Once that's done, I'll switch to the Move tool and press Ctrl D to deselect. Then I'll zoom in and clean things up by removing any unused lines. Now let's add some color. I'll grab the Fill tool, select this shape, and drag a gradient path across it. Then I'll select each gradient stop and set the colors to get the look I'm going for. I'll change this stop to red, and this one to a darker red. Now I'll select the remaining shapes. Grab the Style Picker tool, hold down Alt, and click on the gradient I just created to pick up the style. You can see they are all filled with the same gradient colors now. Though some of them are not flowing quite right, but there's an easy fix. I'll grab the Fill tool again and drag through each section to readjust the gradient path so the colors line up and flow properly across the whole ribbon. We are almost there. Now I'll work on both ends of the ribbon to create the dovetails, that classic ribbon tail shape that really completes the look. So I'll grab the node tool, I'll select this section, and I'll click on this line to add a node, then drag it to the right, like this. Then I'll go to this end, add a node, and drag it to the left, just like this. And there we have it, a ribbon drawn entirely in Affinity. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and give it a try. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care and bye.